Alright, so I've been looking at these for a while now and finally pulled the trigger. Picked up a Parrot AR.Drone 2.0. So, I'll give you guys a once over on the box. Pretty plain and simple. And now we're going to get cracking on the package. Alright, so cut off the tape. And as always, try to get in there without damaging the box too much. Alright, so I'm assuming that's some kind of little landing pad on the box itself. And there's the AR drone. Here we have the LiPo battery, 3-cell, 11.1 volts, 1000 milliamp. And this here, if I'm not mistaken, yep, and it is the power adapters, so charge your guy in any country. Alright, so that's the AR drone. Put that to the side and get everything out of the packaging. There we got the charger, outdoor canopy. Alright, so throw this to the side. Alright, so stickers, documentation. Alright, I thought you need to peel that. That's just to remove the protective film on the body. So this is the outdoor canopy, keep you from breaking your props. The AR drone, USB connector up top, camera at the bottom. Also have a spot for the battery up top. It's not going on. Oh, I got stuck on a little plastic tab. Alright, so push it on, magnet locks the hatch in place. And that is the AR drone. Guys, thanks for watching. Please thumbs up and subscribe.